All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Next up in the basic wash video for the 2017 C7 Corvette Stingray, we have the engine compartment or engine bay. And again, I don't let the engine bay get too dirty. I clean this quite often, so this should be another quick video, so let's just jump right into it so that I can show you guys what I do to maintain my engine bay. All right, guys, so let's get right back into it. So again, not to sound like a broken record, but this is what I do at least once a month. I go in and I wipe my engine down. The whole engine compartment, I'll wipe down. All I do is get a wet towel and I wipe the engine compartment out. Get all of the, or most of the dust off. And if you keep your engine compartment clean, you don't really run into a lot of problems, because I really don't want to have to pressure wash my engine compartment, even though, you know, I get it. It's all sealed up. I don't have to necessarily worry about messing up any components in my engine compartment, because it's pretty much all sealed up nowadays with the way they make these cars. So very simply, go in with a damp towel. Get around to this side. So I'll go in with a damp towel and just wipe this off. And if you keep your engine compartment clean like this, you know, it takes a couple minutes once a month. Just go in, wet towel, wipe it all down. And it's not because the car is new or anything. I've had this car for quite some time now. But as you see, it still looks brand new. And that's not by it's not by chance, you know. It's the way that I take care of my cars. It only takes a couple minutes to do. Go in, wipe them off, damp microfiber towel, good to go. So I never get any heavy buildup of dirt on my compartment. You know, yeah, does it get dusty? Yes, of course, because I drive it. But I never let it get dirty. So now that I got the engine compartment wiped down, what I like to use on it is Chemical Guys Silk Shine dressing. And I guess you can, I mean, it says it's safe for all kinds of surfaces, leather, interior, plastics, rubber, all of that. But I never use it that way. I take a couple squirts of it and just wipe off the plastics, right? And I'll come around there so that you guys can get a good look at what I'm doing. I just spray a couple squirts, wipe it all down. And one cool thing about this is that it does not leave the car like shiny or really shiny. It's kind of a satin type finish that you'll get from this. You probably could overuse it, but you know, I don't. I just, like I said, spray it on a little microfiber applicator pad and wipe off the engine compartment. Let me adjust the camera on that side so that you guys can really see what I'm talking about. So again, take a couple squirts. As you can see, this is dirty. This is not, you know, this is not a new wash pad. I mean, not a new pad. This is what I use. This is how I do it. So I just wipe that on. All right. Wipe off my hoses, any lines. Try and get all in all of the, hit all the surfaces. And that leaves it really clean. Couple squirts. I usually try and get all the front stuff first, since I tend to have to lean. On the car. And I'll just wipe it all down like that. And it keeps the engine looking better than brand new. Now for the cowling, kind of do the same thing. As you guys can see how that is, but I'll lift up the wipers. And I like this product because, again, it smells great. Works good too. So I'll just put a couple squirts on the applicator. And you guys can see the difference right there. How that looks. Go around, hit the other side. It keeps everything conditioned as well. And protected. And it leaves a nice, what I feel is a nice, rich finish. Safe on the rubber, safe on the plastic. It only takes me a few minutes, as you guys can see. To make this happen. And I even put it on the wipers, not the blades themselves, but the outside of the blades. Leaves those nice and dark as well. Yeah, and it's that simple. And And again, like I said, what I like about it is it doesn't attract a lot of dirt and buildup. It just puts a nice little satin sheen on the whole compartment. You know, every place that I can get. I know you can spray it down with this, but spray it down. But if you take a few minutes, maybe once a month, take a few minutes and just, like I said, take a damp towel, wipe off the engine compartment, and then use Chemical Guys Silk Shine. You guys won't be disappointed. And as you can see, it looks like I haven't ever driven the car. But like I said, I drive the car. I just take time once a month, wipe everything down, and use Chemical Guys Silk Shine. Keeps my car looking good, the engine compartment looking great. So I think it's an awesome product. All right, guys, so I think that's it. This was just a quick little video on how I take care of my engine compartment. Real fast. You guys saw it took maybe 5-6 minutes to wipe everything down and put a coating of Chemical Guys on it. Works phenomenal. So, but I guess I say that about all the products that I use. But you know, when I believe in a product, I believe in it. And this product works great. So thanks again, guys. Thanks for stopping in and checking out my video. If you like what you see, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit the alert button so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. In the video description, if you hit the show more button, you'll find links to the products that I use in the video, the Chemical Guys and the little Terry applicator. And yeah, it's that simple. So take a few minutes, 5 minutes. I know it adds 5 minutes onto your wash time, but really it's not that big of a deal. Take 5 minutes, wipe your compartment down, use a Chemical Guys Silk Shine on it, and your engine will look phenomenal, just like mine does. So, all right, guys, thanks for stopping in again. Thanks for allowing me to share part of my day with you. Thanks for sharing part of your day with me. And you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.